Okay, you guys asked for a little video on backgrounding. This is an A104 backgrounder. It's the medium spike. It's an older one. It's not one of the new current Tandy ones, but this is what I use. So this is how I use it. Start out down in a crotch, right alongside the cut in my bevel. Go around and do the perimeter in these little crotches. I drive it fairly deep. It gives more of an illusion of depth, especially with these 104s that are spiky. You don't get as much depth as you would with a finer backgrounder like an A98 or 99, and I will show that one in just a moment. You can see I've just about got the perimeter of the background area knocked down, but there is a ton of tool marks in it, as you can see. So now you've got to walk those tool marks out, very much like a beveler. Keep your backgrounder moving. I pull it to me with the large end coming at me. This cleans up the individual tool marks from your first pass. Once I've got that done, I come right alongside that pass and I walk the tool in straight rows to start with till I get the background in that area done. And if it's not as clean as I like, then I'll walk it back and forth, keeping the same pressure so that I don't leave a mark of the tool, just the tool's pattern. And that's how I get a clean background. Now I'm going to go with a 98. Sorry, 99. It's been modified. I've ground it down much smaller than its original size. This is my backgrounder of choice, but I use it the same way. But you will see with it, I start out walking it because it's so small. I'd spend way too much time cleaning up the tool marks, but I can control it because it's a fine pattern. It doesn't drag like a 104 does. When I get into those crotches, I drive it a little deeper. Gives that extra illusion of depth to the background. Got my perimeter done. Now I can start cleaning it up. With this one, I can walk towards me, I can walk back and forth. As long as I keep the tool moving, I won't leave any individual tool marks. Now this smaller tool on large background areas takes longer for me to get them done, but the end result, in my opinion, is worth it. And as you're working, if you see any tool marks from where you just went, go back and clean them up while you're thinking about it, because sometimes you'll forget and then it's too late to clean them up. Especially if you've got a large project with lots of background, you may not see